morning. You can't even see Tyler. Dang, it's dark. Oh my gosh. Normally when we leave, it's not.
You always sleepwalking. I don't know what.
What?
About.
Y'all don't listen. Y'all don't listen.
We probably left a lot.
The sun. You look at my last vlog, y'all. The sun was rising. Okay. I'm pretty sure we left probably closer to 7.
But we took longer. We took longer to get out.
Yeah. Like, oh yeah, true.
Got up early enough to get out at this time. It's just
true.
This time we had everything packed up, loaded on the table.
Compare this.
Guys got up on time. Got downstairs.
Well, tell the people good morning first of all. Tell the people good morning.
Good morning.
Okay. Now y'all can go back and look at the last vlog and see how light it. Compare this view to my last travel day vlog. And it was the sun was rising.
Yeah, it was.
I bet you by 6:45 it's rising.
Yeah, it's gonna be in a few minutes.
Like it's dark. I mean, you can kind of start to see it, but Lord Jesus.
That's because you guys have less stuff in your room to distract you now.
I know.
True.
You can just brought your suitcase and then you can just throw it in the car.
Basically, which was great. But we out here.
Nobody was doing last minute packing.
Yeah.
The vlogs start now. Say hey. Okay, don't be looking at yourself in the thing. Anyway, we're in Georgia, finally. That means we can stop, because Dad doesn't like stopping in South Carolina.
Apparently nobody else does.
Yeah, it's crowded. It's crowded over here. Oh, this is like nice, y'all. Look at this. Look at that. It's nice. Dang, have we ever stopped here?
Art rest area.
No, I don't think so.
This is state of the art. Look, it says Georgia right there. Wow. Wow. We fancy.
State.
The peach state. Yeah, might look crazy, but it's okay. Yeah. Ooh. Dang, Laura just jumped out the car. I'm like, dang, what's
We're about an hour and a half.
What's good?
You better go. What'd you say?
What's good?
I said, was the music not hooked up to the
I had to,
he had to charge it.
Charge it, so I couldn't play it and charge it at the same time.
I gotta go too, so I'll also see y'all in the view. Where's the saying, we're drinking root beer nowadays come from? We're eating, by the way, y'all. Dad make these sandwiches. Dad don't know where it's from, that saying is from. Really?
Nope.
Let him know, Tyler. Well, actually, no.
It's a attraction. Come on now.
An attraction.
For real?
I don't know.
You know it.
Yeah, you do. So Laura knows it. Okay.
It's a favorite for you. Used to be sarsaparilla.
I don't know.
You gotta know after.
Come on now. After sarsaparilla?
Tell me.
Magic Kingdom
What ride?
in Tomorrowland.
Oh my God.
Your favorite.
Now you're just joking.
You
At this
have to
point.
be.
I really don't know.
Guess out of what they just told you.
Tomorrowland.
Oh, Carousel Progress.
Duh.
You just overthought it.
Oh my goodness. I say that, y'all, because I got some root beer. Stewards, they hunted all over for these because they don't sell them. I know, right? Like, what's up with that? But Dad made these sandwiches and we bowed, like y'all know how we do. Dad makes the sandwiches for us. I haven't eaten yet, but I'm hungry, so we're gonna catch y'all later. Okay, y'all. I ain't filmed nothing. I won't put Laura on here. She got her pajamas.
Too late.
She is out here for real. But we made it to Orlando. Surprise. I slept most of the way. Laura almost fell asleep. She was trying so hard not to fall asleep, and I look crazy. She was trying so hard not to fall asleep, but she made it. Yeah. I actually edited some videos for y'all so that I'd have some videos up while I'm gone. So there's that. And now I'm tired. And we watching Iron Man. Y'all know how I feel about Marvel movies. What you think about that, Laura?
I love it. Just watched ACC football too.
Oh yeah, we did watch some ACC football. We almost won. Carolina almost won the game. It would have been a big win because they played Clemson, and Clemson's really good. So, but the fact that they hung in there says a lot, though. So maybe, as Dad said, Clemson came in there and was like, "Oh, we'll just walk in there. We just gonna win. We don't have to do nothing." So maybe they didn't really show up, but I don't know. Or maybe we just played well. So yeah. What you think about that, Dad? Wait, I'm trying to show Dad without showing Laura. Oh wait, there. What'd you say, Dad?
What?
What'd you got to say about Carolina?
Carolina, they're good in basketball.
What?
They're good in basketball.
How do we play today?
Yeah, played okay.
Okay. We hung in there with Clemson.
Yeah, I know.
Like, for real, Dad.
They played alright.
Alright. Anyway. I can't believe Iron Man is on. Which one is this? Is this the first one?
That's the first one.
Wow. It was like the very start of the Marvel movies. Or like close to it. Wasn't Captain America the first one?
This was the start. No, this was it.
Oh, okay.
That's why they ended the Avengers with him and with the clang in the cave. Because this started it all.
With the clang in the cave. Wait, what now?
The sound at the end.
Oh.
Of the end game.
Yeah.
You hear the clanging noise?
Yeah.
That's the noise that he was making in the cave when he built Iron Man.
When he built the first Iron Man costume.
Oh, yeah. Wow. Still, I need to go back. Like, I feel like there's so many little details that they put in there.
Oh, for sure.
That they did such a good job of like wrapping everything, like tying everything together. Is what I mean.
That's why it's great to keep rewatching, because even now, after seeing something over and over and over, I sometimes catch something I didn't see before. And
yeah, or even some
ties together.
Right, and even sometimes I think. Sometimes people would say, "Oh yeah, you remember in such and such movie when X?" And I was like, "Oh my gosh, like for real." The writers are amazing. Y'all can kind of hear it, y'all see it, but yeah, we watching Iron Man. R.I.P. to a real one. So anyway, I guess we gonna head right on out of here for tonight. I'll film a little bit in the morning and then film with tomorrow. We going to Hollywood Studios, so yeah.
But first we're going to Contemporary.
Oh, first, yeah, we're checking into Contemporary. Hopefully, if our room is ready.
Either way, we're stopping. See it.
True, because I mean, yeah, either way we're gonna check to see. So
I have a car there.
yeah, I have a car there. We could actually walk there. Wait, no, that's Magic Kingdom though.
True, yeah.
Crap.
You can get on the
Whatever.
monorail.
Well, it's not Hollywood Studios, so.
Oh yeah, true. Never mind.
So I guess we just taking the bus. We're like commoners taking the bus. But yeah, that's gonna be fun, and we'll get to see new Star Wars land.
Yeah, super excited about that.
Star Wars land. Hopefully we get to ride whatever that ride is everybody talking about. Millennium, is it the Millennium Falcon? What's it called? I can't remember what the attraction is called though. Smuggler's Run. Millennium Falcon Smuggler's Run. Anyway. Apparently you get assigned duties like how you do at Mission Space.
Oh, cool.
I hope I'm like the leader. Anyway, Because y'all know how I do. Anyway. I'm gonna be out. Love y'all. In the vlog, guys. I can't put y'all on camera, but say something.
Peace out.
Dad, in the vlog.
What?
In the vlog.
Good night. We'll see you tomorrow.
That's all you gonna say?
Yeah. What else am I supposed to say?
End it in a funny way.
I don't have anything funny right now.
Nothing funny.
Nothing funny that I can think of.
Okay. Are you sure?
I can't think of anything. Yeah.
Come on, Dad. Dang. Anyway. I'll take his last one talking about same bat time, same bat channel. Tune in for the next one. Bye. Okay, y'all, so a little breakfast before we head to the parks. Let's see what Laura got. She got some sausage, she got some home fries, some yogurt. Like me, she tried to copy me. Some coffee. Dad got some, did you get coffee too?
Yeah, you did.
Coffee, about the same thing. So, different hotel than the Ramada, our different location. So,
Been good so far.
it's been good, right? Enjoying it.
Yeah.
Man. And then, we're heading to Hollywood Studios. So, yeah, we'll catch y'all in that vlog. How about that? It's gonna be good. Alright, bye.